Hello Ryan. Hey Ryan, what is this? So your instrument is ready now?
Yes.
What is this called?
Bamboo Xylophone.
Bamboo Xylophone. Wow, name looks amazing. How does this make the sound? Music?
I will beat this
Mm-hmm.
bamboo.
Mm-hmm.
Air will go inside and make a sound.
Okay, air goes inside the bamboo and makes the sound.
Yes.
Okay, so different shapes means different sound. Different length means different sound, right? Okay, so can you just play some random beats and show how? Sarigama padanisa. Oh, wala. Very good. Again, reverse. The mallet is very soft. Very good. Now make a string. Very good. So, can you try some maybe tune on this?
Yes.
You want to try Mary Had a Little Lamb? Okay. Very good, Ryan. Can you turn the mallet and try the same music? Yes. Very good, Ryan. Fantastic. You enjoy playing the xylophone? It's very easy, right? Amazing, Ryan. Say bye to your friends.